Hello guys, today I am going to start chemistry chapter heterocyclic compounds and their nomenclature. So basically, what are heterocyclic compounds? Compounds which are cyclic, having at least one heteroatom. Okay, having one heteroatom. Are called heterocyclic compounds. So here the word hetero means hetero का मतलब होता है यहाँ पर विषम चक्रीय यौगिक. हिंदी में अगर हम बोलेंगे तो इसको हम विषम चक्रीय यौगिक के नाम से जानते हैं. और ये कंपाउंड जो है बेसिकली साइक्लिक होते हैं. साइक्लिक मीन्स इसके एलिफेटिक भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी ऑफ टू कैटेगरी. इट कैन बी एलिफेटिक ऑल्सो as well as aromatic also. So mostly aromatic heterocycles are cyclic in nature. Aliphatic means they are just analogues or substituents of, you can say, carbon. In aliphatic we can take example of nitrogen like amine group, or we can take example of alcohol group. So all these are heteroatoms. So this is an example of aliphatic compounds. It can also contain sulfur like thiol groups. This is your amine group, this is your hydroxyl group, that means alcohol group, and this is your thiol group. So these are examples of aliphatic heterocycles. Now what we have to study next is our aromatic heterocycles, which we will study in detail. Okay. So individually we will study all types of aromatic heterocycles. So what do you mean by aromatic heterocycles? तो बच्चों अब हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एरोमेटिक हीटेरोसाइकल्स. ओके, तो इसमें आपके क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होनी चाहिए, व्हाट प्रॉपर्टीज आर नेसेसरी टू बी अ हीटेरो एटम एंड इट शुड बी एरोमेटिक आल्सो. सो व्हाट प्रॉपर्टीज? First property should be that aromatic heterocycles should be cyclic in nature. They are cyclic rings. ओके, ये प्रॉपर्टी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड में भी होती है और एरोमेटिक की जो बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज हैं वही हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो सिर्फ रिंग का डिफरेंस है. अगर आप एरोमेटिक बेंजीन जैसे एरोमेटिक होता है तो बेंजीन के लिए कार्बोसाइक्लिक नाम होता है, जबकि हेटेरोसाइक्लिक में सिर्फ एक एटम आपका हीटेरो हो जाता है, बाकी प्रॉपर्टीज सब सेम रहती है. तो साइक्लिक रिंग्स जो है आपकी वो होनी चाहिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकेंड, there should be delocalization of pi electrons. ठीक है, दिस इज द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी. डीलोकलाइजेशन का मतलब होता है कि आपकी जो सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड इस तरह से ऑल्टरनेट या तो डबल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए, या फिर अगर हीटेरो एटम प्रेजेंट है तो उसके अंदर इस तरह से हीटेरो एटम, अगर हमने 5 मेंबर रिंग लिया है, यहाँ पर कोई भी हम हीटेरो एटम, हीटेरो ग्रुप कोई भी लगा सकते हैं, तो उसके पास एक लोन पेयर यहाँ पर अवेलेबल रहता है. तो डीलोकलाइजेशन का मतलब है कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है सभी पांचों या चारों कार्बन के ऊपर डीलोकलाइज्ड रह सकता है. इसका मतलब होता है डीलोकलाइजेशन. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज इट शुड हैव रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइजेशन. Resonance stabilization is If it is cyclic in nature, it have delocalization of pi electrons. That means these electrons are localized on delocalized on all the different atoms. Like here there are carbon atoms, 4 carbon atoms. So this negative charge will be delocalized on all 4 carbon atoms equally. So due to this, we will have 5 resonating structures, and resonating structures defines resonance stabilization. So if the number of structures are more, we will have more resonance stabilization. Like in benzene, we have 6 structure, and here we are having 5 structure that we will study later on. Okay? So it have resonance stabilization. Third and fourth property is it follows Huckel's 4n plus 2 electron rule. It follows Huckel's rule. Now, what do you mean by Huckel's rule? It is 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. So, this is the most important rule for aromaticity. Okay? So, all these properties are cyclic ring you are having, second delocalization, resonance stabilization, and finally Huckel's 4n plus 2 rule says that the number of electrons should be 2, 6, 10, 14, 18 and so on. So this should be the overall number that we can count. Like here if we count 2 electrons for the heteroatom having lone pair, then this consists of 2, 4 and 2, 6. Total 6 electrons are there. So this is 6 pi electron system. So all these are under Huckel's rule. Now next rule is it undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, we'll study in detail in chapter aromatic compounds. We will study all these properties, like which type of reactions are there in electrophilic substitutions. So they mostly undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions due to presence of pi electron cloud. Okay, which is also found in case of benzene. That's it. So guys, I hope you understand all these properties. If you are having any problem, I will also send my notes on YouTube, and you can also go through them. Okay, I hope you like the initial introduction of this chapter, and we'll meet soon again.